as readers and creators are looking for a way to slow down. But what do? We end up doom scrolling, right? I know I do. I'm guilty of that. But today I want to share with you some of the things that I do to combat doom scrolling. Hi, I'm Christine. Welcome to my channel. Guys, I am so guilty of doom scrolling. It drains you. I mean, I feel mentally and physically tired when I get on Instagram. Now I am also guilty of watching YouTube, but I feel like I can be more productive when I'm watching YouTube because I watch it on my TV, and I'll either be knitting or doing something at the same time as I'm watching other videos, so it doesn't feel as, like I'm not doing anything, like I'm just doom scrolling. I like to watch videos that teach you other things. I like to watch videos that I can relax to, just, unwind, chill. Let me know what kind of videos you guys get sucked into. Which Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts do you watch that take you down a rabbit hole? That's what I'm talking about. That kind of doom scrolling. The brain rot, right? And guys, it's just too overwhelming. Sometimes I have to just go outside and sit in nature, and the quiet and the silence and the sounds of nature, the birds, the wind, I mean, it's just so relaxing and refreshing. Try it sometime. Go out and touch grass. I wish there was more grass here. I'm in the Las Vegas Valley and we have desert. I mean, even my front yard is just desert landscape. It's full of rocks. I don't have any grass on my property at all. If you've seen my previous videos where you see grass in the backyard, that is actually the AstroTurf, the fake grass, because that's what they use here. So, but yeah, that was a tangent. Back to what do I do to combat my doom scrolling? If you've been with me for a while, you will know that this channel has been through lots of changes. It started out as a diamond painting channel back during the pandemic, and I started adding in other crafts. I knit, I crochet, the diamond painting, I do weaving, I like to color sometimes. I've actually got a coloring book that I created and have for sale on Amazon. I'll link to that down below as well. But I've just been doing lots of thinking lately, and I thought I would share things that I do to keep me from doom scrolling. I know it sounds weird because you're actually on your phone or tablet or whatever, watching this video, and yeah, you gotta use it every now and then, especially if you want to watch videos on YouTube, right? But my goal is to not be watching as much on screens. And if you enjoy screens, I mean, just having something in your hands all the time, try a craft, try a hobby like knitting, something tangible, something that you will create something and have it after you're done, or hold a book, a real book. I just did this unboxing the other day. How lucky am I? Books, guys, books feel amazing. I love how they feel in the hand, but if you don't really like reading regular books, there's always the e-readers. I know they're also screens, but if you get something that doesn't have apps on it, I know the Kindle gives you ads and things like that, but it's a lot less tempting to go and check email or go and check another social media or something. What I've been doing lately is just leaving my phone in the house, going outside and laying in my hammock to read in the morning. before it gets too hot, because it's so hot here, guys. It was like, I don't know, it's been in the hundreds for days. I think it's like 113 today. Yeah, it may be hotter. But that said, I love going outside in the morning and just, you know, I water my plants. I let my little dog go out. Dino, he's my little senior rescue. You'll see more of him. I'll be sharing him in videos. I don't know where he is right now. He's probably in the living room on the couch. But yeah, I like to go outside and read in the hammock after I've done other things in the yard. Like I said, in the evening is when I usually watch some YouTube videos and work on knitting or crochet. I do have some knitting patterns that I've designed. Those are also available for sale on Ravelry, and I'm slowly adding them to Etsy because I know a lot of people stopped using Ravelry. So I did have someone point that out to me recently because they liked one of my knitting patterns, and since they don't use Ravelry, they didn't have a way to purchase my pattern. So I told her I would go ahead and start uploading some of my patterns to Etsy. So that's just going to be a trial run, because I know on Etsy they actually charge you to post, like you're charged 20 cents per listing, and then they expire after 4 months. So if nobody buys your pattern, you're just out the 20 cents on each post or on each listing. And then of course, if they do buy your pattern, there's other fees, but it's just going to be a trial run. So I'll link to my Etsy and my Ravelry down below. Yeah. And let me share with you guys some other things that I do. We are going to knit one. Wait. Okay, wait. Come here, Dino. Oh, is that fun? Wait. Was it fun? Come here. Come to Mama. Ready? Come here. Over here. Here. Oh, good boy. Ah. Good boy. He's a good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Because my other ones I've already given away to my daughter, my son, and my niece. But this is the one I kept.
You can do what you want, just seize that day. What you're doing tomorrow's gonna come your way. Don't you ever consider giving up. You will find love. It's a beautiful life.
So I hope you liked that little montage, and I hope that seeing some of the things that I do to combat doom scrolling will give you guys some ideas to go out there, find something that sparks joy. And I hope you'll follow along if you enjoyed this video. Mostly I've been posting my diamond paintings and my books, thus Dust Jackets and Diamonds. But I think that this channel is going to be more all-encompassing, and we're going to start doing more things together. I'm gonna start adding in more crafts. I think I'm gonna keep my knitting tutorials over on my Bayareaknitter channel. And I think that channel is gonna actually be more focused on tutorials and teaching knitting. And then this channel here is gonna have the things that I do to keep myself from doom scrolling, guys. And you know, have you heard the term hobby maxing? That's what I do. I hobby max. So I think I'm gonna just start sharing more of my hobby maxing here, guys. You're gonna see more books. You're gonna see more of my diamond paintings. I may even do some jigsaw puzzles, some coloring. Maybe we'll bake. I don't know. It's all up in the air right now, guys, but I think I'm gonna keep this channel for the hobbies, and I hope you guys don't mind. So that said, I'm gonna go ahead and let you go. Leave a comment down below if you've watched to the end. I've seen some other creators do this, and I'm curious just to see who makes it to the end. So if you've made it to the end, leave me the emojis right here. Put these in your comment. Okay, guys? And I will see you all again in the next video. Happy crafting and stop doom scrolling, okay? We've got this, guys. See you next time. Bye.